equation of a circle. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. The center of a circle is hk. The radius of a circle is r. So the first thing I'm going to do is give you an equation, and you're going to tell me the center and the radius. Can I give you a hard one?
Yes.
You've done it before, haven't you? Have you seen this before? Guaranteed you will see it on the ACT. Guaranteed.
Guys, I'm taking the ACT the same day as we have two performances.
Why would you do that?
That's a problem. Because I have to take an ACT. I have to take the April ACT if I want to apply for early admission at Columbia. It's Columbia. New York City. Oh.
You have to take it when?
April, because I can't get into the February ACT. So I have to take the April ACT.
You could go take a residual one somewhere on a different day. All right. The center. The x part is what is subtracted from x. What is subtracted from x? So the center is 3/2. What is y? What's subtracted from y?
Negative.
That's the center. What is the radius?
The square root, so 9/7.
9/7. And that right here
That's all we're doing.
is your answer. I didn't say that's all we're doing.
What?
Dang it.
And that seems really helpful.
It was.
Really?
It was.
I could just be the whole lesson. Yeah.
Well, now, what if I tell you the center and the radius and ask you to write an equation? That's easy?
Yeah,
Okay.
I hope.
I do too. The center is -3, 0. The radius is radical 10. I'm going to write the equation, and I'm going to graph it. You can't graph this on your calculator.
So we're graphing it also?
Yes. What is my equation?
X plus 3 squared
Hang on. Can't write that fast.
plus y minus 0 squared.
Y minus 0 squared. Is that the same thing as y squared?
Yeah.
Equals what?
10.
10. That's my equation. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Now, what if I wanted to graph this? Okay? What's the center?
-3, 0.
1, 2, right here? If the radius is radical 10, is that a little more than 3?
It's a whole lot more.
Radical 10?
Radical 10. I was just thinking
She was thinking 10.
Yeah, I was like, that's a whole lot
What did you do right?
Yeah, it's 3.16.
So a little more than 3. So all 4 directions, isn't a circle? So all 4 directions I go a little more than 3, right? 1, right, up, left, and down, and draw my circle. That's not bad, is it?
So my circle drawing is not good.
Well,
Means you're safe.
just as long, that's true. That is true. As long as you don't just draw a straight line from one dot to the other, because then it looks like a diamond. Kind of make it
Two
round.
dots.
Last thing. What if I tell you the end points of the diameter? The end points of the diameter. You know what a diameter is? Okay. Are -2 and 4. And 6 and -2. And I want to write the equation of the circle. What do I need?
The center.
The center. Is the center of the diameter the midpoint? Didn't we do midpoint last week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Midpoint, what is it?
Oh, it's the
That's
X
a radical.
over.
I add the x's and divide by 2, don't I?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What does that give me? 2?
Yes.
And add the y's and divide by 2?
Which is
1?
1.
How do I find the radius?
The distance from the midpoint to the one edge.
Distance from the center to one edge? Okay, so is the radius equal to the square root of 2 plus 2 squared? Right? Plus 1 minus 4 squared? Is that right? Subtract the x's, square it, subtract the y's, square it.
Didn't she? Sorry, you gotta figure it out.
What?
I found the
You-
diameter,
Then take half of
and
it.
it's okay.
So for the radius, I get the square root of 16 plus 9. So I get 5 for the radius?
Yeah.
Is that what you all got? So how do I write the equation?
X
Minus 2
squared
plus,
plus y minus 1 squared equals 25.
y'all agree? Now, can I graph that? Come on. The center is 2, 1. How many do I go each direction? 2, 5. You want a magic pen or a shape pen?
Magic.
It didn't magic, did it? Didn't work. There it went.
Whoa.
Oh, there you go.
What? What?
Magic.
magic. This is what we're doing today, guys.
Easy. Okay, I think it's a tiny swing, but it's
I don't consider drawing circles easy.
It's almost there.
It's a war, I don't know.